Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix a SEMrush competitor analysis, full guide step by step clearly. To conduct an effective competitor analysis using SEMrush, start by logging into your SEMrush account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Domain Analytics section on the left sidebar. Click on Organic Research to explore organic search competitors. Input your domain into the search bar and hit Enter. Review the Overview dashboard for key metrics related to your site. Next, scroll down to the Competitors tab. Here, you'll see a list of domains competing for keywords with your site. Click on the top competitors to gain deeper insights. Examine the Traffic Analytics section to analyze their traffic sources. Look at the top organic keywords to discover the keywords driving their traffic. Make note of any keywords you're not currently targeting. Next, switch to Backlink Analytics to assess your competitor's backlink profile. Enter a competitor's domain and analyze their referring domains and authority. Identify high-quality backlinks that you could potentially acquire. Return to the dashboard and click on Keyword Gap. Enter your domain and your chosen competitor's domains for comparison. Review the keyword gap analysis to find missed opportunities for keywords. Now, navigate to Traffic Insights to further understand their audience. Analyze the geographic location and demographics of their traffic. Check the content analysis for top-performing content from competitors. Identify content strategies that you can adapt for your own projects. Finally, summarize your findings into actionable steps. Use this data to refine your SEO strategy and target new keywords accordingly. Review and repeat this competitor analysis regularly to stay ahead. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.